Gunmen shot and injured 6 persons after spraying bullets at a dance in a Rockabessa in St. Mary early this morning. 5 of the 6 victims remain in hospital. The St. Mary police are calling for peace in the parish following this latest incident. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports.
It was at this popular jerk centre on Main Street in Rockabessa, St. Mary, at which a party was in full blast in the wee hours of Friday morning. The reveling was, however, interrupted by unknown assailants who decided to spray the area with bullets.
6 persons were shot and injured and taken to various hospitals. 1 was treated and released, and the other are still hospitalized and are undergoing treatment.
1 person has so far been released from hospital. The other 5 are still being treated, their condition unknown. Head of the St. Mary Police, Superintendent Bobette Morgan, is calling on citizens to find better ways to handle their disputes. She says the violent ways in which people are dealing with disputes have implications, not just nationally, but for families and persons who have to depend on these individuals.
We cannot always be resorting to violence to deal with our disputes. The police is always here, and we're willing, ready, and able to assist persons in treating with disputes. We will always make ourselves available, so call us so that we can help you. You need a mediator, we can always assist in settling these disputes instead of resorting to violence.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.